Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Hey, a big thanks to those that have been watching my videos. I've posted 6 of them so far. Today, at the time of this recording, we have 515 views. Thank you very much. It's great. I'm glad I'm helping a few people out. Of all things, a young lady recognized me on the street. Her name is Agnes, and she asked if I could make a video about tire inflation for cars. She doesn't know how to do it. She doesn't know what tire to inflate up to what PSI, pounds per square inch. So today we're going to show people how to inflate their car tires. If you want to come this way, we're going to open up the driver's door and we're going to look at a sticker on the driver's jamb right here. And that's going to show 32 PSI for each tire. Now we're going to take our tire gauge and we're going to find out how much pressure is in the front driver's tire. Here's the little gauge we're going to use. We put this over the valve stem. It'll give us a pressure reading. If I want to zero it out, I can hit the little button on the side. Let's see what the pressure is on this tire. I'm going to take the little dust cap off the valve stem. Oh, well, look at that. We're only 28 PSI. We're 4 PSI short. So we are going to put some air in that tire. And we're going to do that using this 12-volt little pump. This will clip over the valve stem. There's a little switch on the side, and we're going to pump some air in. This will take a minute. As I said in one of my other videos, this is going to take a minute or two. Good things take time. Everybody's in a rush today, but today we've got a few minutes here. The little air pump would actually pump faster if I actually started the vehicle, but I just have the key in the accessory position, so it's going to take just a little bit longer to pump up. Don't be afraid if we pump up a little bit too much air into the tire. We can always let a little bit out. And we will use this gauge to be able to figure out how much air we have in the tire. Let's see how we're doing there. Oh, we're now only 30. We've come up 2 pounds. We're going to put this back on. And we have a beautiful day to do this today. The sun is trying to poke through an overcast sky. What a great time to make sure the tires are up to pressure. And this is a backyard project. Anybody can check their own tire pressure and correct it. If you don't have a little pump, you can actually go to most gas stations and they will have a little air compressor. You put $1 into it and you can actually check all the tires, and they often have a little air gauge sensor right on their little fill unit so you can tell what the pressure is in each tire. We'll leave that running for just another minute. I'm going to turn that off. Again, we started off with 0. We're at 31. I'm going to put it on just for another minute. I hope this video is going to be informative and help those people that are shy about their own tires. Every time you get in your car, you should do a little circle check and take a little look at the tires. And if you think you have a low one, these little air pressure gauges are very inexpensive at local hardware stores or Canadian tire stores, whatever. And you can check your own pressure and a little safer on the highway, and you get better fuel economy because of properly inflated tires. I'm going to try this again. Well, there we go. We're 32 PSI right there. We're going to put our little dust cap back on. If you liked the video and you found that gave you some good information, please press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you like these videos. The more people that subscribe, I'll put more videos out. Have a nice day and take it easy.